In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a recurring task in Asana. Managing repetitive tasks can be a time-consuming aspect of project management, but with Asana, we can streamline these processes by setting tasks to recur automatically. This feature not only saves you time, but also ensures nothing falls through the cracks in your projects. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll need to start by heading over to the Asana website. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and click on the Login button. This takes you to the login screen, where you'll be prompted to access your account. For ease of use, you might want to select the Continue with Google option, especially if your Asana account is linked to a Google account. Simply choose your preferred Google account from the list. With that, you'll be seamlessly logged in to your Asana workspace, a real time saver. Next, navigate to the specific project you're working on. You can find your projects listed on the homepage or in the sidebar if you've organized them accordingly. Clicking your project will bring up a view of all the associated tasks. Now, look through the task list to find the task you want to set as recurring. Click on the task to open its detail view. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the detail view of the task, look for the due date section. Click on this to open the calendar interface. Now, here is where we set the task to recur. You'll notice a small icon labeled as recurring or repeat. This is your key to setting up recurring tasks. Go ahead and click on that icon to bring up the options for recurrence. You will now be presented with options to choose how frequently you'd like the task to repeat. Asana offers a flexible range of options. You can set it to recur daily, weekly, monthly, or even on specific days of the week, depending on your needs. Take a moment to consider how often the task truly needs to occur and select the appropriate setting from the drop-down menu. This decision helps ensure that tasks recur at the right moment to keep your project timeline on track. And there you have it. You've just automated your recurring task in Asana, which is a great boost to your productivity. No more manual entries for those repeated tasks. You've set it up once, and Asana will take care of it moving forward. This allows you to focus more on the creative and strategic aspects of your work. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough, and happy organizing.